What a fucking night. Get your keys. Get your keys. Get your keys. You got a piece of cutter. John's fucking perfect.
Oh, shit. What the fuck was this? Oh,
Holy fuck. Oh, holy shit, I'm falling! I fell. Oh, help me up!
Oh my God, Jay. What happened?
Oh. The chair was on the end of the fucking thing.
It was?
Yeah.
I hope Mom got that on the radio.
Think fast. Listen, that child is going to be a pro athlete.
Oh, dude, you're supposed to catch it.
You want me to shot? You want me to shot? You do it. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Get on now.